Welcome back, health seekers. Today we unlock the secrets to achieving your fitness goals with these proven diet secrets. In this video, we'll reveal the top diet tips and tricks that will help you boost your fitness and take your physique to the next level. From meal planning and portion control to macronutrient balancing and healthy snacking, we'll cover it all. Get ready to transform your body and reach your fitness goals faster than you ever thought possible. Watch until the end for the ultimate diet secrets that will change your fitness journey forever. Before we balance out the details, make sure to join the Better Health community today. Click the like to show your support. Now, back to the video. When it comes to achieving our fitness goals, we often overlook the most crucial aspect that can make or break our progress, our diet. While we spend hours at the gym, sweating it out and pushing ourselves to the limit, a poor diet can undo all the hard work we put in. It's time we start paying attention to the food we eat and how it can significantly enhance our fitness. Many of us have been led to believe that dieting is all about cutting back on calories and eating as little as possible. We think that if we simply starve ourselves, we'll magically lose weight and achieve our fitness goals. But that's far from the truth. The reality is that not all calories are created equal, and eating too little can actually hinder our progress. Moreover, we've been misinformed that a one-size-fits-all approach to dieting is the way to go, when in reality, everyone's body is different and requires a personalized approach. We've also been told that if we want to see results, we need to stick to a super strict diet that's devoid of any flavor or enjoyment. That couldn't be further from the truth. The truth is that sustainable weight loss and fitness come from making healthy lifestyle changes that we can maintain in the long run, not from depriving ourselves of the foods we love. And finally, we've been conditioned to believe that the number on the scale is the only measure of our fitness progress, when in reality, there are so many other important factors at play. It's time to break free from these misconceptions and learn the truth about diet and fitness. It's time to focus on nourishing our bodies with the right foods, rather than starving ourselves of the nutrients we need. So, what are these proven diet secrets that can boost our fitness and transform our bodies? Well, for starters, protein intake is key. When we consume enough protein, we're able to build and repair muscle tissue, which is essential for strength and endurance. And it's not just about building muscle. Protein also helps us feel fuller for longer, reduces cravings, and boosts our metabolism. Another diet secret is the importance of whole foods. When we focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, we're providing our bodies with the nutrients and fiber they need to function at their best. But it's not just about what we eat, it's also when we eat. Meal timing can have a significant impact on our metabolism, energy levels, and even our mood. For example, eating a balanced breakfast can help boost our metabolism and give us energy throughout the day, while skipping breakfast can lead to energy crashes and overeating later on. And let's not forget about the importance of staying hydrated. Drinking enough water can help flush out toxins, improve digestion, and even boost our immune system. But there's one diet secret that stands out from the rest, and it's something that might surprise you. It's the power of incorporating healthy fats into our diet. That's right, healthy fats. Not low fat, not low calorie, but healthy fats. Foods high in healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil can help reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and even boost our metabolism. And the best part? They're delicious and can be incorporated into our diet in so many ways. So, how can we take these diet secrets and put them into practice? By making small changes to our daily habits and incorporating healthy fats, whole foods, and protein-rich foods into our diet. By staying hydrated and paying attention to our meal timing. And by focusing on nourishing our bodies, rather than starving ourselves of the nutrients we need. When we make these changes, we can expect to see significant improvements in our fitness and overall health. Thanks for watching. We hope you'll take these tips and put them into practice, and we'd love to hear about your own diet secrets in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our other videos on fitness and nutrition tips, and let's continue to boost our fitness together. See you in the next video.